the best part. We are bringing them together, the navigation and the cards. So let's go to here. Great. So basically here means, okay, great. So what this means is that we are on here. So what we're going to do is we're going to call that function. So we're going to get card data. Let's just call it extract listing. So basically we're just calling this and it gets us all the data from the card. And I'm just going to print it right now. So this is card information. We'll just print it, and then I actually need an int one, and then boom. Now this is gonna get, so that's one thing we need to do. But right before here, what we need to do is we need to print like the title, right? So this would be, that would be like title.text, and then print. We also need to print the icon, which is, we don't really need to print the icon, but yeah, we're good. Good. So here now, okay. So this what's gonna do is it is gonna like get all the navs, right? It's gonna all get all the navigation. So we'll have like all 61 of them here. And then what it's gonna do is, since the first one is here, it is gonna get like all the data of this one. It is not actually going to do that. But it would get the current page, which is all of this. And now, like here, it would get the current, so it will keep getting current, it will keep getting the same data. So we have to click, we have to click the navigation to get a new cards, basically. So right here is where we're gonna do that. So you can just say click. That was way easier than it should have been, right? It's like literally just adding clicked it. So now we're doing is, hey, you're on the first one, get everything. Then, okay. Okay, so it is actually gonna work. So yeah, so actually, I think the click, yeah, the click should have been not here, but like before, you know what I'm saying? Like it should have been before we extracted the stuff. Because what you need to do is you need to click like farmers, and then on the OMG, it shouldn't read and then ask the OMG. It should first click on the OMG and then read it, right? So the clicking comes first and then reading comes second. So that's why we need to click here. It's just gonna be, actually do that. Just say here, click to get the nav data. Cool. So we need to click them. Okay, great. So let's run this. Let's see what we are talking about and if that actually makes sense. And we should be able to see like us actually clicking through, so that should be pretty funny. So okay, it did not click. It's like no. It's like nope, I'm not clicking. Okay, let's kind of debug it here. Oh, I see what the problem is. We didn't even call the function. Like how is it supposed to know that is what we need to do? That's funny. Oh, you need to ask it for it. You can't just, you can't just expect it to be like, oh, let me guess, you're trying to run that? Da-da-da-da. Yo, the room that I'm in is shaking. Damn. Okay. So now it is the waiting time. Okay, great. So now, yeah, okay. Now this, okay, now it's reading. It's reading. It clicked that. We're getting the data. And now you see, now we're on here, we're reading the data, and now we're here. I'm not clicking though. Like it's automation. The browser is clicking itself. Okay, the treehouse. We're not gonna watch all 61 of them click. Like that would that would be so boring unless you enjoy getting those glimpses of like houses. Okay, I'm gonna stop, but you kind of get the point, right? Like it's literally going through and clicking by one by one. And this is what I mean when I was saying like it acts like a person is doing it, right? So something else you could do is like we could actually search. So like using this tool, you can like click on this, write a text, and then run search. So you could like anything that you a human can do on this website, this tool can do it. So okay, I think that's enough. We can stop it. So we could like let's see. So, all right. All right, stop you. Now let's go all the way up. Well, this okay. Flex it is okay. So it's the location. This is a terrible way of displaying data. Okay, okay. Now we can do better than that. So instead of just doing that, let's actually say let's go for the data. So for the D in let's see for card in let's see in card data. Yeah, let's just make it look nice, a little bit. So for every card, I want to say the title, and then actually it's gonna be like it's gonna be card title because we have a dictionary. I'm guessing. Uh, is it here? Yep. So it is. Oh, let's actually do this. Just copy this and move that, and here. So okay, print link. That would be a link. Print location. Right. That would be card. I mean card, and then location. That should be card link, and print. What is the detail? So that would be card detail, and then we're gonna print. What is the image? And that would be card image. Okay, we have all of them. Nice. And then we actually let me just put this first there. I want to have that first, and just just makes it look good. Okay, nice. Detail image, blah blah blah. Okay, okay, okay. Instead of writing, well, I hope that looks good. Okay, okay. Now, because the reason that I'm kind of becoming more specific in this is important. So I actually want to get like the whole point of me doing this whole thing is to be able to get that data. So making sure it's the right data you're getting it is like very, very important. Okay. Okay. Dun, dun. So now we're getting like house stuff, private rooms, domes, man. I feel like this is going too fast. So I don't know if it's like giving it enough time to display or if we have to like explicitly wait like we did before. But I think that's enough. Okay. Okay, so we're at the cabins. So we have Wisconsin. So that's the location of the cabin. I went, let's see. So we're at the cabins. So let's actually like go to cabins. Wait, which one is this? This is in the Cascade, Wisconsin. So get any Cascade around here? Hello, Cascade. See, Cascade. Well, this actually. Let me run this. Okay. Let's see. Cascade. Like, how the hell do you spell that? Okay. Let's see if this string is in there. Okay, so okay, so we have that one. We have this another one. Okay, this is like okay. Now my question is, I don't know, but I don't know if these like rooms are. Let's see. Okay, are these like cabins? Let me actually make more specific ones. So we have like, you keep going like Michigan, and then we have like the miles away, and then we have the image of it, and then like we have the location of the other one. Okay, where is my? This is what I'm looking for. Can you give me my stuff, please? Okay, cool. What? Okay, so this is a beach house, beachfront. So let's go to the beachfront. Let's see. The navigation should have stayed the same, man. Okay, where is the beachfront? It's like 62 of them, blah blah. No, let's do the other way around. Na, 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 na. Okay, so we are at the beachfront. Okay, this is this is messing with me now. Okay, so we are. Let's check if this image is a beachfront, right? Because that's kind of important. Is are we querying the same thing? Because that's what we think we're doing. This should be a beach. Okay, cool. So that's a beach. Now we can, let's say this in Connecticut. Is this in Connecticut a beach? Yes, it is beach. Okay, so beach means beach. That means if that the art like if that matches that, then all the other one is matched to all the other ones. So nice. Okay, that is it. That is fantastic. So another really cool thing about this is we didn't have to write. Like I thought maybe we would have to wait like we're doing this around here, but we didn't have to do that. So that's really cool. So, I mean, that is, for me, that is a successful project because we could literally, like, we get all this stuff here, right? We get all the listings, we get this stuff. We click on this. Of course, you can get you can get more specific, but that's all I need. You can click on it, you can do all those. And since we can print it out, that means you can put it in a database or in a spreadsheet or I don't know, in a text file or upload it to whatever you like. So, I mean, yeah, that's it. I think that's we finished with this scribing thing. Yeah. So I hope you like it. I hope you find it helpful. I would definitely suggest going more into